Hi guys. I just want to make this quick little video. It's a lot of guys out there searching for penis enlargement pills or a way to, just get longer or thicker. I've been taking some pills for a long time, and I've recommended a lot of people to take the pills too, the penis enlargement pills. And the pills that I take, they've been working. And what they do is they basically like give you more blood flow down there. So when you're taking the pills, it's going to increase your penis length. It's going to get longer, it's going to get thicker, and not only that, you're able to have harder erections. A lot of people are using extenders and stuff like that. I don't recommend using extenders because, they can stretch your penis and they can hurt them. Like I said, I've been using the enlargement pills. I told people about them. A lot of people always tell me that, that they've got bigger since they've been taking the pills that I recommended. And I've been using them for a long time. And not only that, the pills actually make you harder, like I said, and you're able to last longer when you have sex. It's 2020, if you're looking for, a good male enhancement or penis enlargement pills, it's a link on my video. Click that link, go to the website, order you a couple bottles. I recommend you get a couple bottles because that way you'll have them on hand. They'll be in stock for you. You'll be able to take the pills because the pills will make you grow. You'll get longer and you'll even get a little bit thicker. And, since I've been taking the pills, my wife, she loves having sex with me more. In fact, she just can't get enough of it. Like I said, other people take the pills I recommend. They're working for them too. They're getting good results. So if you're looking for a good penis enlargement or male enhancement to work that will actually give you results, click that link under my video, go to the website, order the bottles, and once you get it, just start taking the pills because the pills do work. And like I said, if you want something that's going to give you good results, you want to get thicker and be able to be harder and have better sex, click that link, go order a couple bottles, guys. Trust me, you're going to be happy when you get the pills and take the pills because you're going to get results for sure.